No component of an internal combustion engine works independently. Every component is part of a system. The piston rings, and the cylinder, or the inner surface of the liner, together form the piston-cylinder system. The piston rings, connecting rod, crankshaft, the piston pin, or wrist pin, the upper connecting rod bushing, the connecting rod bearing, and the main bearing, or crankshaft main bearing, together form a system, the moving assembly. The valves, guides, springs, the actuation mechanisms or lifters, and the camshafts constitute the valve train system. The first operational characteristic of the engine is movement. The second operational characteristic of the engine is speed. Very high rotational speed of the crankshaft, measured in revolutions per minute. At these high speeds, during the intake stroke of the cylinder, piston ring system, as the piston moves downward to create suction of air or the air-fuel mixture, the honing retains engine oil momentarily, and due to the radial pressure of the ring on the honed wall the engine oil is dragged along, forming a thin lubricating film creating an airtight seal for efficient suction. During the compression stroke, which is the stroke that determines the greatest percentage of engine efficiency, the combined action of the cylinder, engine oil, piston ring, and piston compresses the mixture as the piston moves upward, increasing the pressure inside the cylinder and eventually raising the gas pressure within the piston ring groove. The increase in gas pressure within the piston ring groove raises the pressure acting on the ring, which in turn increases the radial sealing pressure. The combined system work of the cylinder, engine oil, piston, and piston rings adapts the radial sealing pressure of the ring to changes in compression inside the cylinder. After spark ignition in gasoline or gas engines, or through the combination of fuel atomization, high compression, and friction in diesel engines, the pressure inside the cylinder, and within the piston ring grooves, reaches its maximum, resulting in the maximum radial pressure exerted by the ring. Engine efficiency largely depends on the coordinated operation of the cylinder, piston, and piston rings working together as a system.